Are you still struggling with constipation, even after drinking water and eating fiber? The culprit might be hiding in what you're taking or doing daily. Watch until the end for a simple, all-natural remedy that really works. Light bulb. Many people think fiber and water are enough, but what about the silent causes like supplements, travel, or even medication side effects? Today I'll reveal the top 6 unexpected constipation triggers, plus a natural fix you can try tonight. 1. Gear iron supplements. Taking a multivitamin. If it has iron, it might be slowing you down, including your bowel movement. Especially if you're postmenopausal or male, you likely don't need that extra iron. 2. Cheese wedge calcium. Calcium carbonate, when taken in a single dose, can constipate. Instead, split into 2 smaller doses with meals. You'll help your digestion and absorb more calcium. 3. Airplane travel effects, on vacation or business trips. Routine changes can disrupt you, plus tempting fast food. Combat this by choosing fruits, veggies, grains, and drink water regularly. 4. Person cartwheeling. Lack of exercise, movement matters. Whether it's walking, dancing, yoga or simple stretching, staying active keeps your system moving too. 5. Pill. Many medicines, like pain relievers, antidepressants, tranquilizers, antacids with aluminum, can slow digestion. Speak to your doctor or pharmacist about side effects. 6. Brain. Underlying health conditions like lupus, Parkinson's disease, or MS may affect bowel function. If that sounds like you, talk to your healthcare provider. Not every slow bowel is normal. Herb. Natural remedy plus tip. If you're feeling backed up tonight, try this gentle, easy remedy. Mix 1 to 3 tablespoons of honey in warm water, drink before bed, and let it help your digestive tract naturally. No harsh laxatives required. Remember, not everyone needs a daily bowel movement. Your body has its rhythm. Find what feels right for you, and don't force it. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more health tips. Drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway, or what triggers you've discovered. And don't forget to click the bell so you won't miss any future videos.